Hey, what's up, my millionaire Cardano holder brother? What's going on? Today video is going very special for Cardano holder because today I have very surprising video because and I have also one good news for Cardano holder. So everyone understand to this video is going very special for Cardano holder. Let's start the price prediction of Cardano without any time waste. But if you are new on our channel, then most welcome and hope you subscribe our YouTube channel for latest this type videos. Please subscribe and press bell icon for videos notification. Guys, in this video I gonna show you the three charts and then we decide to this is selling time, holding time, and also good news. So let's get started. First of all, I gonna show you the 7 days chart to what's going on in the 7-day chart. And you can see here, and the latest price is 1.53 US dollar. Guys, XRP going very fastly, and I think they beat absolutely. They already beat the Cardano. But I hope and Cardano is also one of the fastest cryptocurrency. If they take this type jumping, then absolutely easily can they hit XRP and they beat it. So what you say, can they can beat it? Please tell me in a comment box. Absolutely, this is very important. You can see here the change occurred in last 24 hour as 21.38% they gone up. So this is good news for everyone because the volume is going up, the volume is change and absolutely positive and good. So let's see to what's going on. Please note these changes and the last 24-hour result chart is absolutely very important. So let's see to what's going on in the last 24-hour result. Guys, remember, if you remember the price of last 7 days, then absolutely is badly down. But this time you can see here the price is increased, not decreased. You can see here 1.55 US dollar as the latest price of last 24 hour. Okay, let's see. You can saw this time the 3.67% change occur. Very good. Congratulations, Cardano holder. If Cardano take this type change, and absolutely they make you millionaire. They give you very good profit. So let's see to what's going on in the last 1 hour. Please note these changes because we decide at the end of this video to this is selling time or holding time. Guys, at the last 1 hour, absolutely they go down. You can see here on the first 50% time. You can see here in last first. You can see here this time they totally gone up. Yes, absolutely they gone up, and after that they take a very high jump and they just gone up. So congratulations, my brother. Cardano start moving up like a rocket, and I hope in upcoming time they gone up like a rocket. They give you a very good profit. So what you say, this is selling time, holding time, or buying time? My expectation is very good from Cardano. Therefore I tell you to please buy it, hold it, and wait for the end of this month. I hope they give you a very good profit.